Affiliate marketing is all about combining the best tools. In this video, I'm going to give you a little insight into why I spend thousands of dollars a month just on the tools which I use every day as an affiliate marketer. Let's take content written for search engines as an example. Am I going to spend all day writing an article? Is that really an efficient use of my time? Probably not, because even without using any tools, I can pay a freelance writer on Upwork as little as $20 to create original content for me. But for the most part, I'm not going to even bother with any of that. Here's one of the many websites you can buy private label rights content from. These websites will sell you complete ebooks and articles for as little as $5. Not only that, but they come with full copyright, so you can literally do anything you want with them. They also have categories for all the major niches, so chances are you'll be able to find tons of relevant content. PLR is one of my favourite tools, because content creation is one of the worst bottlenecks in affiliate marketing. Now, of course, I don't want my content to be ignored by search engines because of duplicate content, so I put my articles into a content spinner tool. This tool swaps out all the words in the article by rephrasing them and replacing them with similar sounding words. Think of it as scrambling all the text, but still keeping the meaning intact. This tends to mess up the English a bit, so I copy the converted article into one of my favourite tools, Instatext. This corrects the English and makes it smoother to read. Normally when your content spinning gets discovered, it's because it doesn't read smoothly. But if you truly are concerned about receiving penalties from search engines, then my best tip is to simply proofread your articles before you post them. Or hire a freelancer to do that proofreading for you. Finally, I find strong domains to post my content on. These are usually authority sites which allow user content, such as Medium, Quora, and many more. I prefer to post on these sites because they always perform better than any domains I register myself. It's often better to just drive traffic from these sites onto your money site rather than spending years trying to build up an SEO ranking. I mean, sometimes I will build an SEO site, especially if I'm taking the time to write the content myself, but usually it's not worth it. As you can see, affiliate marketing is all about tools. I use tools all day long to make my time infinitely more productive, and I'm willing to pay whatever it takes to make that happen. By far the biggest hurdle which I ever overcame in affiliate marketing was realizing that I had to be prepared to spend money in order to make money. It's painful initially, but eventually you'll see the benefits. Anyway, that's it for this video. I've left some links to these tools in the description in case you want to check them out. For more affiliate marketing tips, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.